Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're going to take a closer look at the Samsung Galaxy A14, a fantastic smartphone that's taking the market by storm. With its impressive 6.6 FHD display and 50MP triple camera, this phone is a game changer for mobile photography and entertainment. The Samsung Galaxy A14 is unlocked worldwide, which means you can use it anywhere with 2G, 3G, and 4G LTE connectivity. Plus, with 128GB of storage and 4GB of RAM, you'll have plenty of space and power to run all your favorite apps and games. And let's not forget about the 5000 mAh battery with fast charging support, ensuring that you stay powered up throughout the day. The sleek and slim design, complete with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, adds a touch of sophistication to this powerhouse of a phone. So, if you're in the market for a new smartphone that delivers on both style and substance, the Samsung Galaxy A14 is the perfect choice for you. Don't miss out on this amazing device, available now for purchase through the link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and tech updates. Thanks for watching.